Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I've got something incredibly handy to share with you. We'll be diving into the world of Gmail and I'll show you how to set up vacation auto replies with personalized messages. So to begin, open up your Gmail inbox. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to Gmail settings. Now click on See All Settings from the drop-down menu, and then we're heading into the settings menu to make your vacation mode a breeze. Now you'll see a bunch of tabs up top. Click on General here, and then scroll down a bit, and there's a vacation responder section. Here, now click to turn it on. So once you click vacation responder on, you're officially in vacation mode. So this is where the personal touch comes in. You need to write your own auto reply message in the box provided. Let your contacts know you're away and when you'll be back. Feel free to sprinkle in some warmth to make it your own. Now pick from the start and end dates for your auto replies. Don't forget to uncheck the box if you want it to stop automatically. We don't want those auto replies lingering when you're back. Last but not least, hit that Save Changes button at the bottom. Your personalized vacation auto reply is all set. And that's it. You're now a pro at setting up vacation auto replies with personalized messages in Gmail. Your inbox will be stress-free while you enjoy your time away. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up personalized vacation auto replies in Gmail. See you on my next video.